back, my friends. I hope everyone had a fabulous weekend. We are starting the week off with more work from home job leads. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you have those notifications turned on so you never miss another job lead. But with that being said, we will keep today's video as short as possible. The company CareCentrix is hiring a healthcare customer service expert, and they are paying a $1,000 sign-on bonus for the right person. The good news is they require very little experience to get started. So a little bit about the job. They say you will be the first point of contact for patients that need home health care services. You'll be responsible for receiving and responding to incoming calls from providers, referral sources, and potential patients by collecting and entering clinical and demographic information into their online portal. Typical phone calls range from interactions with customers who need basic information to assisting those with more complex requests. So they say the job is for you if you're passionate about healthcare and believe that one of the best ways to help someone and improve the quality and access care. You enjoy working in a fast-paced environment, you have a strong attention to detail, and the ability to communicate professionally. Now, things that are required for this position: a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. And you don't have to have any healthcare experience to get started. They're only asking for 1 year of work experience in a customer service role. And customer service can be anything in which you've served a customer. It can be serving and waiting tables in a restaurant. It can be retail cashier. It can be anything. So just 1 year work experience. They want you to have good computer skills and great communication skills. Now, I did want to talk about the pay for this a little bit. It says starting pay for external hires is $16.35 an hour with monthly incentive bonus opportunities. And it says this pay range included in this posting reflects future growth earning potential. At the very top of this, it says the minimum pay is $16.35 an hour and the maximum is $20 an hour. So if you have some kind of healthcare experience and you are applying, then please try to negotiate your salary. It never hurts to ask. All they can say is no. With little to no experience, you're probably going to get the $16.35 an hour range, but they have posted that they have ability to go all the way up to $20. So if you have that experience, I would negotiate. So this position also offers a full benefit package, including health, dental, and vision insurance, 401k, paid time off, and it says they offer great advancement opportunities and tuition reimbursement. If you are interested in different opportunities in the healthcare field, please leave those in the comments below. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind while I'm searching for job leads to bring you, because I always want the job leads I share to be helpful to someone. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.